Hello.
How can I help you?
Yep.
I'll come around, right? How can I help y'all?
Well, under Act 359, 1486, 2102, I want to thank you for your service here. Let you go.
Yeah, you'll have to speak to the commissioners about that,
That's
sir.
not matter. I have full authority.
I don't know that, I believe this needs to go to our attorney. I don't know.
I'm going to be on the phone with him next.
Well, can I have this? Is this for me?
No, this ain't for you.
So we don't
You
have a
can
copy?
FOIA it. You can FOIA it, but yeah,
I can what?
FOIA it.
FOIA the letter? Okay.
But I need your keys, I need usernames, passwords.
Yeah, I'm not sure that I am supposed to do all this.
You are. This is official.
So how does the mayor have the right to appoint anything?
If you would have complied with 359,
I don't know what 359 is.
someone you said you were following the law in the last meeting.
In regards to the keys, the passwords, everything,
Mhm.
you're gonna need passwords. If you don't comply, it's obstruction of governmental operations, which is a Class A misdemeanor,
Okay,
arrestable.
okay.
So
So what does this, explain to me what this means. What is 359?
Act 359 of 2021, the one you quoted in the August 20
Yes,
or August 18 meeting, that
the one I quoted in the August 18th meeting, that we had not fulfilled
no,
the
that's
transparency
the law
report?
you're following, and you're obviously haven't, because the report is not filed in 4 years.
It has been filed in 4 years, but, okay, well, I think I need to call my attorney. Do we have a few minutes to?
Yeah, if you call the one that's representing SID, it'd be out of your pocket.
I'll take care of that, sir. Finish up that one real quick, like a private call.
Do you have the number to the current terms? Yeah. I'm sure I got it on a FOIA request. I need to call them and tell them to.
501-379-1700.
1700?
Yes, sir. I don't know what his name is.
Yes, ma'am. My name's David Greer. I need to speak to the attorney for Cherokee Village SID. I don't recall. I have to dig to get it, but I just came in under state statute to take control of the SID.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello, Mr. Price. I've been put in as the administrator under the authority of the mayor for Act 359. I need to inform you all that any incoming calls or whatever will be a pocket of your calling it, signal, payment. If you could give me a call back at 847-473-1. Thank you.
Did you reach Andrew Dixon?
No, it was Price, I think was his name.
Andrew Dixon is who she's going to name.
Andrew.
Andrew Dixon, D-O-X-S-O-N.
Call back. Hey.
say, just mentioning, are we sure that things aren't being deleted in here?
I don't know.
No,
I mean,
think she
by
said
all
no.
rights, I mean, you can go in and she needs to make. Hey, this state brewery, is Andrew Dixon, is it? Yeah, Andrew Dixon. Thank you. Of course, I'm getting this now. Hey, Mr. Dixon, this is Dave Kruger. I've been inserted by the mayor of Cherokee Village as the administrator for SID. Need to inform you until you talk to me, there's to be no billing whatsoever happening. If you get calls from the commissioners or GM, it's on their dime. Anyhow, you can reach me at 870-847-4731. Thank you. And that's who she was trying to find. I'm pretty sure. Is there entrance from back there? Just right
Well, there is, but it's locked up. She's just in the kitchen area.
that gets into that room?
Yeah.
Does it got a key lock on it?
Which door? These,
To this office?
back there? Yeah, it's all the same.
Hello. So I have Mr. Kruger and 4 police officers. See if they'll let me read you the letter. Well, he won't give me a copy of it unless I
You can
FOIA
go ahead
it.
and make a copy of it.
It says, under Arkansas Code 1486-2102, as amended by Act 359 of 2021, the mayor of the city of Cherokee Village is appointing David L. Gruger, special administrator of the Cherokee Village Suburban Improvement District. Mr. Gruger will act as the board of commissioners with the rights and privileges of the board. The authority of the existing SID Board of Commissioners is suspended at this time. Well, I'll scan you a copy of this. They're telling me that if I don't comply, that they can arrest me. Yep, thank you. Here's the original back. You have a problem with keeping my door shut?
last one filed was 2021 for 2020's profit and loss for you. It'd be a shame if the county clerks are providing the court for information if it's true, but they couldn't find anything. And when I floated her for it, she denied it. I really wish someone else would do this. Unfortunately, when they did this, the commissioners were nailing the doors shut to keep them from getting.
Mm-hmm.
That's what we have called the commissioners. But, no, I was hoping to call them. I figured it'd be easier dealing with one thing at a time. I asked Monty if you have somebody, I'm gonna have a special meeting tomorrow. Have somebody there. I'll probably do it around 6, so everybody's had a chance to eat.
I'll be on shift.
It'll be, at North Gulf.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna put you on speaker, so I've got the chief of Cherokee Village Police here. Go ahead. He's telling me to lock up the office, not to turn over the keys and the passwords until
So
your
does this
attorney
mean we
speaks
don't come
with
into
him.
work tomorrow?
What?
Do we come into work tomorrow?
Yeah, nothing's changing, it's just we're gonna get your compliance with law and,
I just, you know what I'm supposed to do.
you don't need an order, you got court cases that back it. Yeah, no, you don't come in. Normal business, nothing's, we're not doing that.
You borrowing money from my brother's friend.
Uh,
It's like you borrowed money from my
No,
brother's
no,
friend.
no.
I'll walk out there. I'll walk out there.
Well, I don't work the rest of the week, so I.
Hold on, Andre. Mr. Gruger, standing right here, if you wanna speak.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Kruger, does the city have an attorney? Because that's who I want to speak to about this before I advise my client to do anything.
Yes, sir, but I'll tell you right now, we've already got a court case where it's been challenged and the judge upheld this appointment.
I'm not seeing a court case here. Tell me the name of the case.
1 second. It's the one that happened to Mountain, or not Mountain Home, Horseshoe
I want a
Bend.
case number. Do you have a case number?
I'm looking for it, relax.
We're gonna walk out, I wanna get your stuff together.
Stop right there. She's fixing a wreck. Sister, we're gonna be out on Pond. I believe it's South Pond.
He's still looking.
Just down from Choctaw Center with the same vehicle you got off the road.
Hotel Central.
33 CV 23 30.
33 CV dash.
23
Uh-huh.
30.
Mm-hmm.
And 33 CV, what's yeah, it's both same, that's it, it's court order
So
and,
33 CV 23-30, Dwayne.
Yep, that's
The
it,
layer versus MIRD.
correct,
We're not an MRID.
doesn't matter.
County Circuit Court.
Still falls under the same, falls under the same law, but
Well, the last entry I see on this case is from 2023.
right,
Okay? Then.
Do we still just need to speak to their attorney?
Hold on. Are you trying to say that there's some order from 2023 that's letting the city check over SID?
yeah, the commissioners fought it or tried to get a stay on it, and the judge ruled, said that, that the mayor was within his rights.
MRID. Same thing happened in Horseshoe Bend.
That is
Came
Horseshoe
back
Bend.
and-
Not a part of any of this.
Huh?
Cherokee Village Suburban Improvement District is not a part of any of this.
I get that, but they follow the same law, as the MRID by state statutes, they have to comply with 1486-2102. It's the exact same thing that Horseshoe Bend MRID went through. It's the same law that we have to comply with, and it hasn't been complied with. In fact,
I want to talk to Mr. Bigger, I want to talk to the city attorney. Go back.
that's fine, in the interim,
Okay?
I've got,
No, you don't.
Yeah, I do.
I'm telling my client not to hand over anything until I actually get a pulse of whether or not there's merit to this or not, okay?
there's merit to it.
Kill y'all.
There's-
Give us at least 2 or 3 days to figure this out.
And-
If you're right and I can verify it, I'll advise my client to comply with any court order. But I can't see that there's a court order providing you with the authority of what you're trying to do.
Have you read 1482-2102?
Mr. Berger,
We're not gonna
I
argue.
want to talk to a city attorney,
Well,
okay?
yeah, that's fine, but this gives me the authority as of today. So, yeah, it does.
You just can't walk in
With a piece of paper.
police and take over something without any authority.
I've been given the authority.
Let me talk to a city attorney and just.
I ain't leaving here until it's complied with.
Well, we're gonna lock the doors and you can't stay in here with the doors locked. You can go out into the lobby. You can stay in the building, but you can't stay inside our office.
Yeah, Cam.
Who's your attorney? You don't know?
Jody,
Shackelford.
Shackelford
I
and
think you have
John,
his
and
email.
John,
Abel?
Just tell
Not John Abel.
Tell Shackelford to reach out to us.
no, you reach out to him.
No, you're the one trying to take said property.
I'm not trying to take said property.
You actually want to go about doing it.
I'm not trying to take said property.
Okay, so as my attorney, you're suggesting we lock up the doors and leave the office?
Yeah.
So you wanna get an affidavit together for tomorrow and?
Okay. All right, Andrew, and then you,
I'm sorry I'm not there in person. Yeah.
and Jody Shackelford, you've got his email address from a previous thing we did with him.
Is
Maybe.
you
I'll find it.
are in control here,
I'll
so
find
as
it.
far as leaving,
But
Yeah.
everybody, he's
So
getting
they're
advice
telling,
saying,
the police are telling him he doesn't have to leave, that he's in control.
we call, the mayor.
he is the administrator, has been deemed that.
I think our attorney has a question about that, Monty. He's saying that that is not legal. So are you the attorney on record? Maybe y'all should call Jody
No,
Shackelford.
but the city attorney has
Has signed off on it.
consulted with the mayor on it and signed off on it, so.
Well, it's a piece of paper that's a letter. It's nothing more than that. It's in our opinion by our attorney. So until we speak to your legal counsel or we find some merit in this
So
letter,
they refused
I'm
to
not
leave
gonna turn over
and
myself.
she got an attorney on the phone.
I'm glad to
saying
lock
that
it up
until they
and we'll
speak to
leave.
your
We won't
attorney,
stay
that
here and
they're
do
not
anything.
They're gonna advise them
I don't know what else to tell
throw
you.
us out of the office and lock the doors.
Hey, if you're right, I will advise my client that.
Yeah, even though.
He says if-
Anthony, yeah.
Yeah, he's saying if he finds that you're right, he advises his client to follow those steps. Is that Mr. Shackelford?
No. Yeah.
Oh, well, he's not an attorney
You wanna-
either.
You wanna have, John call? Yeah, I think Jody maybe slow down, be down a little bit.
I was fixing to call him, you know that to be fact, is Joey still out, John's?
Yeah, Don.
Now we got the mayor on the phone.
I wanna talk to the attorney.
We're working on it.
They're trying to get a number.
We're working on it. Hey, sounds like they need to take a step back and calm down and act like, and cool heads prevail.
Yeah.
Well, maybe you should have
We
shown
made the
up.
first step, now we gotta make contact. If it's through lawyers, that's where it has to be, through lawyers.
Okay.
Lawyers just
Okay.
cost citizens money.
Yeah. You wanna,
All we're doing is wasting citizens' money.
well,
I
I've
wish
already
you
called
could
the
hear what
attorney
the-
for
what the
Sid,
mayor
told
is
him
saying.
they're
Can you
not
hear
doing
him?
Anything as of now, so.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that should be stopped, but, yeah, he wants to.
All right, so what do you want me to do?
He's saying that the mirrored case has no bearing, we're a city or something like that.
Well, you want me to leave him in the office?
So, yeah.
Let me see if John will answer the phone. I can get an answer earlier. He's preparing.
Mhm.
Okay. All right, thanks.
All right. Well, I've sent everybody else home. I'm standing here waiting on them to leave, and I'll lock the door and leave with them.
Have you got something right on, you
Yeah.
John McGinnis's phone number?
Hold on 1 second. Go ahead.
870-399-1440. That's
Who is-
John McGinnis,
Who is that?
one of the city attorneys.
Andrew, I got a phone number for a John McGinnis, who is Jody Shackelford's partner. 870-399-1440. All right, call me back.
I can give you Joey's
Thanks.
phone number, shoot.
Yeah, I think he's okay.
Is he out of the hospital?
I think so.
Go ahead.
I've got two numbers for him. One of them's 870-847-2120,
Mm-hmm.
and the other one is 955-5035.
870 also.
I believe that's 870. That's a voice. Leave a message if he calls that one back.
Okay. No, I'm not ready.
Should we leave, Betsy?
Yeah, I'll call you. I'll call you later.
I got you a box.
Okay, leave it in there. You don't mind.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Thank you. All right, so we're gonna stand here and look at each other, because I'm gonna do what my attorney says. I'm sorry, Dave, but I have very little
Trust me,
confidence
I
in
did not wanna
anything
do
and
this.
everything that you do. Your motivations are
Right.
self-motivation. You don't give a crap about the city or anything else. So, I'm sorry that I don't trust in anything that you say or believe.
That's fine.
So-
That's your prerogative.
Yeah, so I'm gonna ask y'all to leave the office, as the attorney said, and he will speak to y'all's attorneys.
No.
And then I guess we will pick this up again tomorrow.
No, we're gonna finish it now.
Mr. Gruger,
Mrs.
I'm
Wall.
gonna ask you to leave the office.
Mrs. Wall.
You do not have the authority, in my opinion,
Mrs. Wall.
and I
I'm
don't
asking
believe
you
that the
to
law in
please-
this letter
to
supplies
please
that.
leave.
I'm I'm not leaving until my attorney tells me what to do.
If you have the numbers to the attorneys and they're conversing, your attorney is calling, why don't we wait and find out what they have to say?
Well, I have to pick up my granddaughter from school. I think I told you when y'all were walking in, I was just fixing to leave.
You do.
So I can't really sit around and wait for all this to happen. If we can just reconvene in the morning and go from there, I think that would be plenty of time for our attorneys to speak to each other and decide how we're gonna move forward. I haven't, in 4 years, I haven't done anything illegal at this point, and I'm sure not gonna do it now.
I'm not saying you did anything illegal, you failed to comply with law, so that.
I think
that's
you
what
failed to comply with
Trust me,
lots
I
of
didn't-
laws, Kruger.
Trust me, I did not want to do this.
Oh, trust
I
me.
wasn't my first pick to come in here.
Yeah, I believe that.
I believe what you want.
Yeah. So again, can we go on and kind of wrap this up?
No, we're gonna stay here.
Until
Once
I
again-
control of the office.
He has been made administrator, so
By no authority of SID.
we're checking
Of
on
the
that.
authority of state
Okay,
statutes.
okay. Well, I can tell you right now that the MRID statutes do not apply to us. That was all done through Horseshoe Bend.
Okay,
Have y'all followed the Horseshoe Bend case?
Yes, I have.
that they
But
were so-
Answer me this.
And what happened this year in January when they couldn't figure out how to do their assessments? What did the judge do?
Answer this to me.
What
okay?
did the judge
Answer
do,
this.
Dave?
Answer me this. Do we have to comply with Act 359 of 2021?
I'm not familiar with that.
Yeah,
I told you the other day when you sent something to our office.
You put it in letters that you're complying with Act 359 of 2021.
What letters did I put that
Which
in?
modifies the
Which
dates.
letter did I put that in?
The,
There was no letter that I put that in.
no, it was on your, yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, however you want to do it, I'm here at your call, so.
You're right.
I got a call for Cherokee.
Okay. All
You
right,
want them to take it?
all right.
They got something for us. They got a call for us. County's willing to help out. Mhm.
Yeah. Okay, were you gonna send it to their attorney, or? Apparently, they're trying to get a hold of, John or Jody.
County said they could assist us if you want them to.
So, yeah, okay, well, if that's what you wanna do, then it's your call.
What? Dump truck. Did you say flipped over?
On Hiawatha.
Yes,
Alright,
any
so
more
we have
of
our truck lights
Okay, I'll just have that. Alright, sounds good.
It's on,
It's
on the highway.
So, he said that he sent him a letter. John was dealing with it, so.
Thank you.
Going back down there.
We got an update,
Got your key?
because I think it might be minor.
I got it right here.
Go a different route.
Okay.
But, I mean, I want to inform you right now, as of today, you're under administrator, so removing or just, deleting me says the information.
See you later.
Alright, see you tomorrow.
I do want to just tell you that is correct.
I heard it, yeah.